Hey everyone, it's really windy outside. I don't know if the sound's gonna be bad, but yeah, we're feeding them graham crackers today. I got a couple like old ones. It looks like, I don't know, they just been on there for fucking ever. So yeah, we're gonna go crush them up and then give them to the ants. We're probably gonna feed the rock colony since, yeah, I fucking guess. I can say they're my colony. We have some of them in there. That was the Strix. I'm pretty sure the fact is it's not them, but you know, here. I'll give him the small graham cracker. Oh shit, oh shit. Okay. Move it over. Boom. Rock colony's fed. So grab these others. And let's head over to Jungle Kingdom. Let's see how they're doing. Hello everyone. Anyone in here? No? Okay. We put some graham crackers on the ground, split that one in half. Put some graham crackers. There are going to be some chunks because it's hard to crush up these graham crackers, but you know. And if you guys did not know, I realized why babies are not in there anymore. They moved under the food bowl. They moved under it. So it really confused me. So yeah, here. Let me feed these guys really quick. Feed big boys. Next is tropical ligmas. These guys always eat all their food, I'm pretty sure, or at least a decent amount of it. Windy as hell. Well, I guess I'll give some, like half to a little bit of to OGNs. I don't know if they're still there, or I gotta give some to these guys too. So here, I'll go on this one. This is our newest colony. We still don't have a name for them. Don't know what to name them. I might ask Matt and ask him what we should name them. Okay, so the last colonies we gotta feed is these guys under here. I actually don't know if they're the babies, but I know they moved. We're moving from over there. So, I don't see any right now. But yeah, see? They're right in there. Right. Cover up their nest again. I'm pretty sure that's where their nest is, and I don't know. This graham cracker, like the two like this, and feed it to these guys again. I didn't give them a lot, but yeah, I'll spread out some around like the lands. This one, I'll just spread it out all over the place. See when the ants go for it, and then the last little bit of crackers. I guess I'll just put them right here. Right in the middle food bowl. Crush them up, put them in around there. Boom, 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 boom. Crush them up really nice. So actually, the ants can actually go and eat them. So yeah. Really cool. Not many ants are out since it's early in the morning. So yeah. I'm pretty sure Jungle Kingdom was, yep, under there. That's where I expected them to be, because that's where I saw the ants from yesterday bringing in the crackers. Yeah, guys, that's going to be the end of the video. It's on day 4. We hope you've enjoyed, or I hope you've enjoyed. And yeah, we'll see y'all guys all next time. And please down in the comments, please leave a name suggestion for these guys. And, well, see you guys. Peace.